Hi everybody, Dave with Crandall Office here, and we're coming back at you with another chair giveaway. I know it's been a while since we've done one of these, so we're excited to be giving away this remanufactured version 2 Leap chair. What's special about this chair is that this is upholstered in real leather. Which kind of segues me into why do we have a chair with real leather here. We're going to be offering real leather as an upholstery option on our remanufactured chairs here in the very near future. We are in the final stages of kind of solidifying which selections we're going to be offering for leather. This was one that was on the table. We had it sitting around, we wanted to give it away. It's a beautiful chair. It's got that brand new leather smell, which everybody loves. So we're excited to be offering that here in the near future, so make sure you like and subscribe below to make sure you're notified when that is released. The other cool thing that we're doing is we just launched a new initiative that we have with One Tree Planted, which is a nonprofit organization that plants trees all over the world. We've partnered with them that we're going to be planting a tree for every chair that we sell at crandalloffice.com. That's going to be starting right away. We have a separate video kind of outlining exactly what that is and how that works. We encourage you to check that out. But what the cool thing we're going to be doing is for every entry into this contest, we're going to be kicking off that relationship with planting a tree for every entry into this contest. And so again, we're excited to be partnering with them and incorporating this contest into that. So not only are we giving away this amazing chair, we are also going to be donating enough funds to plant a tree for every entry into this contest. All right, so now let's get into how to enter the contest. Like before our previous contest, we're gonna keep this really simple and easy. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel below and comment on this video. So that is all there is to it. Just subscribe and comment below. That'll get you entered in the contest. There are a few additional things, so you got to be 18 years or older and in the continental United States to win this chair. We are including free shipping and a 12-year warranty with this chair as well. This is not sponsored by YouTube in any way. This is completely a Crandall Office Furniture giveaway, and there are some rules and regulations that we're going to post a link to in the description below, so make sure to read through those. So those are just YouTube's regulations on giveaways. But beyond that, again, just subscribe, comment below, you'll be entered into the contest, and we're going to be giving away one tree with every entry and planting one tree with every entry below. Last piece of information is we're going to be announcing the winner to this contest on Tuesday, August 1st. We're going to be doing it at noon Eastern Standard Time, so we're in Michigan, so we're Eastern Standard Time, and we're going to be doing it on YouTube Live. Another quick thing I did want to mention, as we've dealt with this a little bit in the past, is that we are not going to be doing reaching out to anybody or making any announcements as for winners before that date. So if you see somebody commenting saying that you've won, anything along those lines, we've had some scammers try to convince people that they've won. We do our best to stay ahead of it, but please don't click on any links or anything saying that you've won. That is not us. We will be announcing that winner in a live video on August 1st and not before. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We are excited to be giving away this remanufactured version 2 Leap chair in a brand new leather upholstery. Stay tuned for an announcement of the leather options that are going to be available at crandalloffice.com soon. And we're excited to also be partnering with One Tree Planted, and we're going to be giving away or planting a tree with every entry into this contest, in addition to every chair that we sell moving forward on crandalloffice.com. So if you feel like you know people that might be interested in this chair or that cause, please feel free to share this video. We're excited to be giving away more chairs. We'll be doing more in the future as well. So please subscribe, comment below to get entered, and we'll see you on Tuesday to see who wins.